Protective order: how to get legal protection in family law. Imagine feeling safe in your own home again. If you are facing threats, abuse, or harassment from someone you know, there are legal steps you can take to protect yourself. Today, we're going to walk through how to get a protective order and what that really means for your safety. First, you need to figure out if you qualify for a protective order. You must be a victim of abuse, which can include physical harm, threats, stalking, sexual assault, or harassment. This protection can extend to children or vulnerable adults living in the same household. The abuse must be recent or ongoing to qualify for an order. Next, you will file a petition with the family or civil court. This document explains what happened and asks the court for specific protections. Many courts provide forms and guidance to help you fill out the paperwork correctly. It's important to be clear and honest about what you've experienced. In many cases, the court can issue a temporary protective order right away. This is called an ex parte order. It is granted without the abuser being present and lasts until a full court hearing. This quick action helps prevent further harm while the case is being reviewed. Once the order is granted, it must be served to the respondent or the person accused of abuse. This means delivering a copy of the order to them officially. Law enforcement officers, professional process servers, or another adult not involved in the case can do this. Proper service is necessary for the order to be enforceable. A court hearing is scheduled where both sides can present evidence. You will need to show that abuse is more likely than not to have happened. The judge will then decide whether to issue a longer-term protective order. This hearing is your chance to explain your situation clearly. A protective order can include many protections. It can prohibit the abuser from contacting or threatening you or your family. It can order the abuser to stay away from your home, workplace, or school. If you share children, the order can address custody and visitation rights temporarily. It can also requiring the abuser to vacate the shared residence, and in some cases, it can restrict their access to firearms. Some orders may include temporary child or spousal support and protections for your pets or personal property. The length of a protective order varies depending on your location and case details. Some last for a few months, while others can be in effect for up to 2 years or more. If the order is violated, the abuser can face criminal charges, which helps enforce the protections. Getting a protective order is a key step in safeguarding yourself and your family. It not only provides immediate safety but can also influence custody, support, and property issues. Courts aim to balance your safety with fair legal procedures, allowing both sides to present their case. If you need help, consider reaching out to a family law attorney or domestic violence advocate. They can guide you through the process, help with paperwork, and explain your rights. Law enforcement can also assist in serving the order and making sure it is enforced. In summary, to get a protective order, you file a petition based on abuse, possibly get a temporary order quickly, serve the respondent, attend a court hearing, and then receive a court order that limits the abuser's actions. These orders are designed to give you the legal protection you need to feel safe again.